In this video, we're going to be taking a quick look at the Magplus Now platform. So I have logged in to my Magplus Now account, and over here I've entered the dashboard. Now I'd be able to create a new project by clicking on Create Project. Once I'm done with that, I could choose to upload an image to work as the background image for my project over here. So I'll just click on Choose File, click on an image, click on Open. Give my project a title. I'm just going to click on Create once my image has been uploaded over here. Click on Create. And I'd be getting this message stating that my project has been successfully created. Click on OK. And as you can see, I'd be able to view my project from here. Simply click on Browse Content, and now you'll be entering your project. From here, this would be the content dashboard. So you'd be able to either create a new issue or manage your issues from here. Now currently I have no issues that I have created. Consider issues as smaller documents. So let's go ahead and create a new issue from here. From our content dashboard, just click on Create Issues. Now this right here is our default page layout. So let's just start off with the top of the page. Now here we'd be able to see on the top right, this would be our user ID over here. This right here would be our dashboard option. Now if you click on this, we'd be going back to the content dashboard, from which we'd be able to access all of our different issues if we have created any. Now under that, over here, on this tab, left side of the page, this is a full screen mode. So if you click on it, we'd be entering full screen. Click on design mode to enter the design mode, wherein which you'll be able to make all changes to our document here. Now also you'll be able to edit your project title by simply clicking on this edit option here, giving your project title a name. Click on Save in order to save your document or your issue. Now, center of this bar over here, you'd be able to see 4 icons. Preview mode, you'll be able to save your document from here, your issue from here. You can publish it online or configure it. Now these 3 icons over here basically are the visibility options. So currently we are able to view the project or the issue as it would appear on a desktop. Now on a tablet device, for example, if you click on it over here, this is how the content would appear on a tablet. This is how it would appear on a mobile device. So let's just go on to desktop view for now, which is the default view. Once you're done with that, under this tab over here, we have got these 2 options, Pages and Create a New Page. So under Pages, over here would be where you'd be able to see all of the different pages that you've created. Currently, we've just got the index page. Now, you can choose to add a new page. Just click on New Page over here, give your page a new title, click on Create Page. As you can see, our page has been created successfully. Now I'm just going to go back to my index page over here. So we're back on our index page. Under this tab over here, these 2 tabs over here, we've got the blocks and my blocks tabs. Now under the blocks tabs, you could choose from the various predefined blocks which have been designed for our convenience so that we don't need to spend too much of time designing each and every element and being able to add so many elements and saving time. Simply just click on the plus icon and a block would be added successfully. As you can see, the block has been replicated perfectly and we do not need to add each and every individual element. Same goes for my blocks, but the only difference is that you will be creating these blocks as per your convenience and your needs. Simply click on multiple elements as a whole, select the parent element. And once you're done with that, just click on the save icon and give your block a name. Now, once you're done with that, let's just go on to the center of the page over here. Now, over here we have got a section within which we've got a division, within which we've got various elements, as you can see. So let's just go ahead and click on a single element over here. So if I click on this paragraph text element, I could choose to either add another element under this paragraph, or I could also choose to edit it from the right side of the page under either the Contents tab or the Style tab. Now under the Contents tab over here, if I click on the text block drop down menu, I'll be getting all of these various options over here that I could choose to edit the paragraph text from to make it look more aesthetic and fit my design. So I could choose to alter the font size, font weight, choose a font family, choose a background color or text color. There'd be different options for different elements that you choose. Now the visibility options over here, I've got 3 options, which basically for an element, they choose to either disable the view of that particular element on a particular device. So currently, this paragraph text is visible on all 3 devices, my mobile view, tablet view, as well as desktop view. But if I click on the mobile view over here, it has been disabled from the mobile view. So I'd not be able to see the paragraph text on my mobile device. Let's just enable it again. Now, under the Style tab, this would be the various options that I could play with. So now under the display drop-down menu, I've got all of these different options. I could choose to alter the opacity of the text or the element, choose a background color over here. So I could choose anything that I wish to. Go back to transparent, choose text color. I could also play with the typography over here. Choose text decoration, choose decoration color or just the decoration style. I could also choose to alter the size, create a margin, give padding to my text over here or my element for that matter. Give my element a border over here. I could also choose to alter the border radius or choose a background image. Now all of these features have been explained in depth in other tutorials. So over here, let's just go back to the section as a whole. And from here, if you click on the plus icon that appears at the bottom of it, you'd be able to see the various elements under the Elements tab. So we've got heading, text block, image, image and text, table, and list. Under the Widgets tab, we've got text accordion, image accordion, slideshow, quiz system, social sharing, pop-up, Google Maps, video, and image sequence. Now these are more interactive elements, let's say. Under the Layouts tab, we have got section, divider, 2-column, 3-column, 4-column. So we could add any of these as we wish to. Now once we're done with that and we're happy with the way that our document looks, or our issue looks for that matter, click on Save, and now our page has gotten saved successfully. Click on Publish over here in order to publish it online. Now in order to publish it online, you would have to go back to the dashboard over here, click on Dashboard, and as you can see over here, we have got our issue added under Manage Issues. As you can see over here, my project has been added successfully. From here, in order to publish it online, just click on Export and follow the process. From here, you would be able to edit the content, which will take back the user into the editing mode and be able to edit the document. Now under this burger option drop-down menu, you'd be able to manage the metadata, preview the document, clone it, download the HTML package, or simply delete it. You could also choose to refresh the Manage Issues if in case you're not able to see a certain issue that you've created. And that's it for an overall view of our Maglpus Now platform.